Learn how to draw favorite characters from Mo Willems books. Today, we're going to work on drawing some of our favorite Mo Willems characters. When you're thinking about Mo Willems characters, one of the first ones I think of is always the Pigeon. So if we break the Pigeon into simple shapes, we're able to draw him. First, I'm going to start with a circle for the pigeon's head. Then another circle for the pigeon's eye. And inside, I'm going to draw a black circle for the pigeon's pupil. Then I can go ahead and add the pigeon's beak. Oh, look there, it's starting to look like the pigeon. From there, I'm going to make a long neck. The pigeon has a long neck. And on the pigeon's neck, he has a stripe. I'm going to kind of make a stripe on the pigeon's neck. Now, here comes one of the really interesting parts of the pigeon. I'm going to kind of make an upside down taco shape, or kind of a shape that's a triangle with a little bit of a circle too. First, I'm going to stretch out long to make the pigeon's tail. Then I'm going to curve and make the pigeon. That's the pigeon's body. Then inside the pigeon's body, we have the pigeon's wing, which is kind of a triangle shape. Oh, there it looks like the pigeon's just floating in air. We got to give the pigeon some legs. So we're going to draw 2 sticks with 3 toes on each of the pigeon's feet. There we have the pigeon. Simple shapes that you can use to draw the character. Some of the other fun characters are Elephant and Piggy. Let's see if we can draw Elephant and Piggy. First, I'm going to start with Piggy, and I'm going to make a U shape. There's Piggy's body. Then I'm going to make Piggy's head. It kind of looks like a snow person. Then we can add some arms. I'm going to kind of make them bent and back onto her body, like she's putting her hands on her hips. There we go. And then we want to do Piggy's legs. Like she's standing up, and she has kind of pointy toes on the bottom of her legs. Next, we want to add Piggy's ears, some triangles up on the top of her head. And her nose. Here's Piggy's nose. And inside her nose are her 2 nostrils. Then we're going to draw Piggy's eyes. Some ovals right above her nose, and we're going to fill those in. And we want to add Piggy's mouth. And for Piggy's mouth, we're going to make a half circle. We're going to draw a line, and then underneath, make a half circle, and then we'll fill that in. And there we have Piggy. Now, you can't have Piggy without Piggy's best friend, Gerald. Gerald's an elephant. So let's draw Gerald. We're going to make, now Gerald's a little bit bigger than Piggy, so I'm going to make Gerald a little bit bigger, and we're going to make another U shape for Gerald's body. And then we're going to draw Gerald's trunk, which is Gerald's nose. And I'm going to start up here, kind of come down. And then I'm going to draw Gerald's head. And I'm going to start here and kind of skip. So it goes around Gerald's nose and up. There's Gerald's head. Then we want to give Gerald some arms. And his arms are kind of like triangles off the side of his body. And then we're going to do Gerald's legs. Everything about Gerald's just a little bit bigger than Piggy. And then we want to draw kind of like Gerald's fingernails on his hands and his feet. And you could color those in too. And then Gerald has some big ears. So we gotta draw his ears up here, off the side of his head. And these are gonna go kind of behind his trunk there. And we have to draw Gerald's glasses. Gerald wears glasses, so we're gonna draw 2 circles. And then the frames of his glasses, which are what holds it onto his ears and in the middle there. And then we're going to put 2 dots for his eyes. Only one more thing is missing, and we got to draw Gerald's mouth so he can talk to Piggy, his best friend. So there we have Gerald and Piggy. Using just simple shapes and going slow, we can draw our favorite characters from Mo Willems books. Share your drawings with friends and family. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.